It's good to see banter bubbles in green for the day once more after the massive dip that we have seen with Bitcoin and other altcoins out there. However, if we look at the book map, we can actually see that Bitcoin is currently trading above the VWAP. The VWAP is this line here. And when Bitcoin is trading above the VWAP, we are going to be looking at an opportunity, for price to make some movement upward, which is good, for the long term, because Bitcoin have to make this huge move to the upside, and if say we go to the 15-minute time frame, we can also see that Bitcoin has been recovering, so good in respecting zones, breaking structure, and now Bitcoin is at a zone where we expect Bitcoin to hold, this area and try to make its way to this area here. So I'm looking at this area as the target for Bitcoin, and if that happens, so many stuff is going to happen with other altcoins. So today, I want us to learn how to follow the money. When you understand how to follow the money, where the money is, then you are going to understand when to buy, when to stay away from the market, and when to wait. Just like take out profit and wait to see what is going on in the market. So these are the stuff I want us to discuss today. If say you are new here, welcome. This is Everton Crypto. If say you are always here with me, thanks so much for being here. Welcome back here. Today we're just gonna look at Bitcoin, some old coins like TRB coins, and also Chirpley. Let's look at different zones. Like this is similar to what I always educate you guys, but today I want to go deeper to actually show you guys different areas where you can look at and different indication in the market, like the vector candles, what kind of vector candles you need to pay attention to, and how you need to go about this. And there are some indicators that we're going to use, and these indicators are my indicators, the Beton indicators. So I want to show you guys how you can get them right now. So let's dive right away to the chart. For you to get this, you have to go to these indicators on TradingView. If you don't yet have TradingView, make sure you go and get TradingView right now. You can start with the free version for 30 days, and if you say you don't like it, then you can cancel it, right? But this is it. Just search for the Beton, the Beton, and you're gonna get the Beton moving average. This is the first one. Choose the first one, and this is not it's not gonna appear the same way. I'm the one who designed it, put all these colors. But what you want to see, let me take off the alpha trend. My strategy is it goes with the alpha trend. I'm gonna bring the alpha trend later on, but I'm gonna show you guys what I'm looking at here, on this indicator. So actually, you can see when you pull in this indicator, it's going to appear like this. This area here is acting as support and resistance, and this is this area with blue, red, and green is acting as support and resistance. The green is acting as support when price is below, and the blue is acting as resistance. Sorry guys, the green is acting as resistance when price is below, and the blue is acting as support when price is above. Why the moving average in the middle is acting as the point of control. That means it's like a direction where price is gonna decide either to move up or to move downward, right? In critical situation. Why this other one here? This other movie, let me change it to yellow. Let me change this to yellow. Let's change this to yellow. I want to change this to yellow, guys, quickly. Okay. Anyway, let me just allow it for now. But this is the 50-day moving average, and the 50-day moving average when price is in a downtrend is acting as an area where price is going to pull back to, and if the price pull back there and the price is not able to break, and come back and retest it, then it's going to act as an area where price is going to be keep like bouncing from there and moving downward. So that area, when price gets to the 50-day moving average, you're going to see if say price is going to hold or keep going. Like in this case, you see price break this zone, price came back, price break it again, and price came to that moving average, and price have held that moving average, making higher highs right now. So price now is coming back to retest that moving average. This is it, yeah. So we expect price to break it, and if price break and cross that moving average, this like if price kiss it, the 50-day moving average, then we're gonna expect price to bounce back again. And this is a target, as I mentioned to you guys. You can arrange the colors. The reason why I mentioned that this is a target is because this area is the 800-day moving average, and the 800-day moving average is on the 50 minutes time frame. Is an area when we are in massive downward movement, price always go there to see if say price can break and make higher high. But if say price is not able to break, you can see here below, in the past price attempted to go towards that area, but price didn't succeed, and after that price came back down. So I'm expecting price again to attempt to go back there. So no matter what is happening here with Bitcoin price, I can say that I think Bitcoin is going to recover somehow to get to that point, before we can see or expect some sort of movement in the market afterwards. So now, if we bring in different indicators like the Trendillo, right? The Trendillo at one point make you to understand that the trend of the market or the market is overbought or oversold. When you see this green this green shadow like this, it means the market is oversold, right? And if you see the red, it means the market is overbought. So we should expect some sort of reversal, around that area. This indicator is accurate most of the time. You can see, it's accurate if say you use this indicator alone just to be buying, but like buying, you can be in profit, like huge profit when the market recovers. Now, there's something I want us to see here, which is going to help us a lot to place a buy order when the market is going down. And this is the vector candles. The vector candle, you can see my candlestick here have different colors. We have this yellow, just like yellow. We have this green, purple. We have also this kind of gray, and when the market is in a downward movement, like downtrend, like what happened yesterday, what you are looking for is a print of this green, this blue candles here, this candle. If you see this candle start appearing on the chart, then know that this price is attempting to reverse back, and taste different, like to reverse. Price is attempting or is preparing to reverse. That means that the volume is reducing, and we can also look at this area and say, okay, well, this vector candles, this green and this blue vector candles is appearing here, and also this green vector candles is appearing at the below the like at the bottom. Let me not say at the bottom, at this area here, after price has been dipping, going down. Then now you can also look at the Trendillo to see if the Trendillo is at the oversold area. Guys, to get the Trendillo, all you need to do is go to the indicators. Is free Trendillo, and you're gonna see this one, open source Trendillo. This is the one, and you can get it. And when you see Trendillo is acting like that, you can now go and pull and bring in Alpha Trend. Now, Alpha Trend, the way I use Alpha Trend is simple. I use Alpha Trend to follow the trend and to show me also areas where I can look for possible take profits or maybe sell. Or, so because price is around this area and price has printed this vector candles, this green, this blue vector candles here, and in no time I saw a pullback and boom, there was this buy signal here. Wow, I was like, okay, now because price have gone above this level and price will test back this level, and this was around this area here, the oversold area. It means that I should expect price to even go higher. from where price is, and if the price build this, like print this buy signal, price shouldn't go below now. If price go below, then price is going to invalidate, this structure. But you can see price stay above the buy signal. Price attempt to come towards this buy area, this where the buy signal was printed, and after that, price went back up and stay above the alpha trend. So you would have got in here, or immediately you start seeing the vector candles, the blue, green, vector candles, you would have got in immediately. And I can show you guys with other projects. Like I'm gonna look at TRB also. Let's go to TRB, Telon, and let's see if we can find the same vector candles here, to give us a heads up if we would have got involved as well in the project. Now we can see here that with TRB, what we are seeing here is this green vector candle here, and also you can see where the green appear was above here. This is where it appeared. And here we have seen that the green has appeared multiple times. So this is telling me that we are going to see more upward movement with price, right? And this is going to be based on what Bitcoin is going to do, of course, because if Bitcoin is taking a huge downward turn, well, this might not be the case. And also, I think price is going to hold. You can see price has been holding here for TRB. I think price is going to make its way also to this moving average here. I don't know if that's going to be about around $118 or $120, but I know that if the market opens, we can see price first of all go to 110, then maybe price can keep going upward towards this, where this indicator is, this 800 moving average, right? And you can see the Bollinger Band here on the Trendillo is squeezing, and when you see it squeeze like that, it means that price is preparing to take a turn or to make a move in the market. And in this case, we don't exactly know what or where the price wants to go, but looking at these areas where these indicators have been forming, even though I haven't seen the green one here, but I've seen even though I haven't seen the blue vector candles, I've seen the green one here. So I might as well consider the fact that this is a period where the market is preparing to take to reverse to the upside. And if we look at Chirpley, let's look at Chirpley. We can see maybe the same thing is playing with Chirpley, CHRP. So let's look at Chirpley and see if price is doing the same thing with Chirpley. All right, this is the 15-minute time frame for Chirpley. You can see with Chirpley, price has been moving downward. Like you can see this in the example with Chirpley as well. Price was going down, and we saw this moving this vector candles here, this blue here, and after that, price has been going up. So what I expect price to do here is either reject from where price is, or maybe move back upward. But I think looking at the market structure, price have touched this 50-day moving average, this 50-day moving average here. So if the price is not able to move above it, then price is going to keep going downward for Chirpley. So looking at Chirpley on the 15-minute time frame, I would say that Chirpley doesn't look good. But if we go further on the 30-minute time frame and we say, okay, does it look good as well? Well, I would say that maybe we have to see more price, like more movement, more money come on board, more buy pressure. We can see also more of these vector candles print itself around this area, around this low here, before we can confirm that, okay, maybe we are hoping to reverse, like to reverse from where price is. Let's check on Solana. Solana also is has touched this moving average here, so I expect Solana to reverse back from where price is. You can see this is the so guys, one moment please. I'm just gonna take out some profit for Solana. I was waiting. Now I'm gonna get out from Solana. late, so I want to sell my Solana actually right now. I bought it here, guys. I bought it at $80. I want to sell the Solana, and I'm gonna tell you guys where I'm gonna buy it again. Let me quickly sell my Solana. Because I think we can see price reverse back to 84 or 83. Yeah, and I want to see price like make different movement before I can go and get it back again. So right now I'm gonna sell my Solana. Let me sell my Solana until I see some sort of different movement in the market before I can, I can buy again and take out more profits. But I'm up 8% for Solana, which is good. I love it, and I play this game always whenever I see the market dipping. Also, let me see if say I have to sell other coins right now. I think let me look at ICP. I was holding ICP. Let me see ICP. I bought ICP also at the dip. Let me see if say I have to sell ICP. Looking at market structure, yeah, guys, ICP I just got there, so I have to sell ICP right now. Guys, I have to respect the way I trade, the way I go about with all this stuff. I know ICP is still cheap, but I'm not sure if say price is gonna keep going downward or price. I'm up 11% for ICP. I see ICP. I bought more ICP at this bottom. You can see what I was trying to say to you guys. You can see this blue. This green, not green. Now I'm not able to remember this color. This blue vector candle formed here on ICP. So this would have been a buy, and if you bought it here, right, you would have right on to this level. That would have been 11%. I just got out my profit right now, and what I want to see here for ICP is gonna be the same thing I wanted to show you guys back then. So price have to make do like this, come back and retest this area. If price is not gonna do that, then I'm not gonna bother myself to want to like buy this bad boy again. I'm gonna wait and see what is gonna happen with other coins before I can make that move. But I think right now, you guys you guys are able to see these areas and why I'm making the decision to actually sell these coins right now. And also you can see here this vector candle has printed above this, and usually when this happens, of course, we should expect price to move even more further. And yeah, I'm gonna just wait and see. Actually, this would have been this was my target, yeah, but I'm not gonna wait for it because I think this was my target. This area here, I was on the 30 minutes time frame. Wow, I just closed that on our trading, but it's okay. It's okay. I'm just gonna take it like that because you can see price is in an uptrend. You can see it's in an uptrend, so I think the trend is gonna end here and then maybe reverse back before moving forward. But I'm waiting for price to come back to this moving average here, the 50-day moving average here. And if the price is not able to hold it, then I'm gonna be happy because I'm gonna buy it again cheaper down here. But if price is gonna hold it, of course I'm gonna be happy again because price is gonna keep moving upwards. But I think the Trendillo has been up, putting this red zone here at the overbought area. So I think we're gonna see the Trendillo reset a little bit downward, maybe before we can see price go back upward. But of course, guys, we are still in this trend because price is still above. We are still in this trend. Let me see. Did I actually made a mistake setting my ICP right now? Is it too early? Maybe I would have sold it at $11 because I think we can see a huge weak pump to the upside. Okay, I'm gonna actually buy some few right now because I think let me see, the price is still within this range. Price just make higher highs on the 15 minutes time frame and price retest this zone. So as of now, price is still maintaining structure, and this alpha trend is still printing upward. So I'm gonna respect my indicator and then buy ICP again. Maybe this time around I'm gonna buy a little bit, not much, like not as much as I had before. Maybe just a little bit right now for ICP. Then I take it right up. So yeah, I just bought some few ICP right now, and let me place a sell order for ICP at let me just say $11. No, $11 to $200. $11 $200. So let me place a sell order for ICP at $11 $300. $11 11.3 sell. Yep. So I'm gonna if say price get there, then I'm gonna take out profit from that area. But if say price is not able to go there, I will still be fine because I've taken most of the profit already. I'm just buying now with the you can see price is rejecting this 5 EMA. If price is able to break this 5 EMA, then I think this is gonna be cool. Guys, following the money is simple, right? Following the money is you looking at where the buying pressure is, where the market makers is gonna pump the price to, and these vector candles are always gonna be recovered, right? Let me show you guys something with Bitcoin and explain to you guys why it would have been awesome if say you took this trade, right? Okay, you see that Bitcoin left this zone here. It came right down, and when we saw this vector candles printed here, the next thing prices were going to do was to recover all these vector candles here and go back to where the sell signal on the alpha trend was printed, right? So you can see price the price went and recover all that vector candles. You can see it has recovered it somehow. Make its way to the upside, and now we are looking at this zone, as I mentioned, as the next area where we can see price go to, and again, like price is respecting. You can see price. Let me just actually buy Bitcoin right now. I'm gonna buy Bitcoin right now, guys. I'm sorry, I just have to take advantage of the market. Also, we are all trading here, so let me buy Bitcoin. I think I'm gonna buy Bitcoin right now. I'm gonna see some upward movement with Bitcoin. If not, then good. But I think so. I'm gonna see an upward movement with Bitcoin in no time. So I just bought some Bitcoin right now, and the reason why I did is because on the 15-minute time frame, Bitcoin has retested back to this 50-day moving average here, this zone here, and I expect Bitcoin to bounce, and Bitcoin has bounced from that zone. So the next area where I think Bitcoin can go right now is this, and if Bitcoin does that, this is gonna be the same with other altcoins, right? Did I sell my Solana? Yeah, I sold my Solana. Let me see if the Solana is respecting that zone. I can even buy more of Solana. Okay, Solana is coming towards that. Guys, you see, I did well. I sold it. So let's see if Solana is gonna respect this moving average. If not, then I'm gonna be happy that I sold it. Yeah, I'm gonna be able to buy, and you can see this. The Trendillo here is resetting, going downward towards this 0.00 zone. And if say it's not able to hold this zone here, this area here, I wouldn't be surprised. But I think this is the target. The target, this 800-day moving average, is the target. Now let's go back to I'll say Mystery Man says, Gary USDT 4 hours views, please, sir. Okay, let's just go to Gary quickly. It's like you and Gary. You love Gary so much. And I even had Gary on my watch list. He said 4 hours time frame. Let's see Gary on the 4 hours time frame right now. Actually, this indicator looks so good. It looks so good right now. Sorry, this coin looks so good right now, not this indicator. It looks so good right now, and I want to tell you guys why I think Gary looks so good right now. Okay, if I zoom out, I can see that Gary has been in an uptrend, and has been trying to make higher highs, but to no avail. And now we are seeing that Gary is sitting at this 800-day moving average on the 4 hours time frame, and there's some sort of W formation here. If say that is the case, I think that might play out here. Maybe, yeah, something like this. So this could be something good, you can take the price to the upside. But as of now, I think if I look at Gary on the 4 hours time frame, it looks somehow tricky. I think if say I have to buy Gary, long term on the 4 hours time frame, this is what I want to see to happen with Gary. Like a pump like this, of course, is good with the project, but now Gary have to hold, yeah, this 50-day moving average. Price don't have to close below it. Price has been moving below it. You can see below it, below it, below it, below it, and price now break above it, come back right down here because of what is going on in the market, and price have broken above it. Price should hold above it. If price is not able to hold above that moving average, the 50-day moving average, then I'm gonna invalidate this this movement here with Gary. And I mean, this is gonna be the extreme case to buy. Like to buy, if say this project is your project, of course, is a project to buy. But now, one other thing that I've seen here is this divergence here forming on this 4 hours time frame. You can see there is divergence forming here. This is a clear sign that price is going to the upside, right? You see, this is clear, and we're gonna see price keep doing this. So I will say that if say you apply the way I trade, you could have bought here, and bought here, and in all these areas you would have been in massive profit now. And guys, I mostly trade spot. I do mostly spot trading, right? I don't. If I have to do leverage, maybe I'm trading Bitcoin or Ethereum, then I'm gonna use leverage. But if I'm not trading Bitcoin and Ethereum, I'm not using any leverage. If I'm trading these altcoins, I'm gonna use leverage trading those altcoins, right? So I don't play with leverage when it comes to these altcoins. That's why I'm able to be in profit with this altcoin. Then I'm able to keep my profit at the same time. Even when I trade this altcoin, like my losses is not that significant. I always try to make sure I protect my losses. But now you can see there's divergence forming here. It all started here. You can see, and now we are seeing it clearly that Gary maybe is forming this zone here and take price to the upside. So, yeah. I would say that if you want to be buying Gary, then you would have been buying it here. This downward movement here, this one here, and this one here. Then you would have been in massive profit. That's how I trade, right? Like for example, when I see like guys, this trend indicator is so good. Like it's so good. If you would have been buying here, in out profit here or here, would have always been in good in green, right? Would have eliminated all this noise here. Would have took out this huge profit here. Would have bought here again, and just keep minting, buying, making money with a move, right? So this is how I go about doing my stuff with these indicators. You can go and get this indicator on TradingView. They are all free. You won't pay anything, but it helps me a lot to eliminate the noise out there in the market. So I don't know if say Gary is able to you're able to get some value here with Gary. But let's go back to Bitcoin not before we go back to Bitcoin. Let's look at let's look at the let's look at this book map. Let's see. Okay, Bitcoin is still above the VWAP. Guys, the book map is simple order flow. It gives us zones in the market where there are orders, like buy or sell orders. These bubbles represent the pressure. Either if you see the bubbles increasing, it means there's high volume coming in the market. So the bubbles represent volume, and this white moving average here is the VWAP, and when price is above the VWAP, we're going to favor buy, and if price is below the VWAP, we're going to favor sell. Now let's look at different areas where there are huge orders in the market. Let's see, there are huge orders here around. Let's go down. Let's go down and see if we can Okay, there's actually an order was placed here and removed. This was about 342 Bitcoin at 480, and it has been placed back around 484, 480, 4,840. Let's move upward to see if we have more. Yeah, after that, the next area where we have liquidity here is around okay, it has been moved here to 152 and 56 Bitcoin at $430. But I think actually, guys, we might see price move upward. Because if we go downward, let's see the area where we should expect a bounce if say price is able to move downward. So let's see. I think at 900, at 39,320, you can see because here there's 313 Bitcoin and Bitcoin here sell order. So I mean, there's so much orders. There's so much order here. You can see so much order here, but this one is the one which is actually active at this point in time. This one was placed and removed here. And now we should expect price to, if say price was above, if say price was below the VWAP, then this would have been the zone where we would have expect price to get to. Now let me see. I love to do this. Let me do this to see, okay, if we can get like more active orders going on with price. Let's see. Okay, guys, you can see. Actually, this is not showing me. Okay, let me see if I can zoom this a little bit more easier so we can see real-time data of what is going on in the market. Okay, actually, you can see these are the areas where if say you are like scalping, you can be looking at these zones. Look at the orders here. The order that is printing on. I think this is the green. This green. Yeah, you can see this. There are orders coming below here. 134 Bitcoin at 39,780. There's also another one here around this area, a buy order at the price point is this 39,030 around this area. So these are the areas where we are seeing now live. This is live, guys. Live buy order. Now we have 151 Bitcoin above. Right now this is sell order at 4140. So we should expect price to get to that area. It has been taken away, and let's see if it's gonna be brought back. Yeah, it's now taken away. Let's see if it's gonna show again, and let's see also what price is gonna do from there. And guys, all these are very important areas where you can see, like if you are trading Bitcoin, you can already see what is going on, and from there you'll be able to know if price get there, you can either take out profit or buy again. These areas are gonna be an area where price is gonna react drastically, right? But let's not just okay, now we are seeing this huge bubble. It means there's more buying pressure coming on board. Okay, there's more buying pressure right now, and price is moving upward. Let's see if this order that was here was removed. Now another order has been placed. Let's see how many Bitcoin is going to be up there, up here. Now you can see there's an order coming here around 40,100. You can see it's printing red now. When it prints red, it means okay, now we have 184 sell order here. Bitcoin sell order here. This is guys, you can look at this. Is live, going on live. This is on the blockchain, happening live. This is actually futures, and I'm using the this is just the Binance platform actually, and Binance have the most volume, of course. So if say people are respecting these levels right here on Binance, it means they're gonna be they're gonna be doing the same. Oh, now I'm not able to speak. They're gonna be doing the same on OKX, Bybit, but price should stay above the VWAP. The VWAP is this white line here. Provided price is above the VWAP, then we should expect price. So it's like this area here, 40,000, is acting as support right now for Bitcoin. So let's just go on the chart right now for Bitcoin to see if say the same thing is playing out there with the price of Bitcoin. Let's go to the chart to see what is going on with Oga BTC. Let's see. Okay, now guys, let's go to lower time frame, the 5 minutes time frame, so we can see what is going on here with BTC. Now, I mentioned that around 3,000, area, price area, we can see we can see a bounce back. But looking at the 5 minute time frame, we have already printed a sell signal here, and price is still above this area, like above the 200-day moving average and the support and resistance zone. So we should still expect price to keep moving upward from where it is, because we have seen this rejection here. Price came down here, rejected, came down here, rejected. So price want to maintain this structure here. We can see pull back anytime soon. But if say we look at the 15 minutes time frame, I can really look at it and say, okay, we are still above these zones, and this 50-day moving average, I think there is a 50-day moving average is trying to crisscross the 200-day moving average. And if that happens, then I think we're gonna see huge, massive price movement. So as price stands, price have to stay above, and this moving average have to cross. If it does cross, then we're gonna see more price, more upside with these coins. But now, when I look at this, also, I can say that looking at the trendy low, right? Looking at the volume book map, it's like I'm getting tired already. I should I should stop streaming. I'm getting tired already. Guys, if you're watching, please do like this content. If you don't like this content, you're not promoting this platform. You're not supporting what I'm doing. You're not it's like you hate what I'm doing. So if you're watching, please do consider smashing that subscribe button. It's gonna really help this channel a lot. This content to reach out to more people. Guys, this is live, right? Live order on the order book, on the blockchain. Buy, sell orders, and we can see price maybe move below the VWAP, then come back. Okay, we are seeing selling pressure, trying to break the VWAP. You see, it's trying to break the VWAP. So you look at this volume here. Okay, another volume, huge volume, but now it was changed to green. When price is getting to that VWAP, we are seeing rejection. That's around 39,990 that we are seeing rejection. Right now, price has bounced back to 40,030, dollars. Guys, this 40,000 price zone should hold. If you want to see price continue to the upside, it should hold. If not, then wow, we have seen there's 224 Bitcoin here, and yeah, there's 270 Bitcoin, there's 179 Bitcoin here. So this zone from 39,000 area to 39,700, that's gonna be a massive pullback area. If you see, we are seeing buyers are trying to break, so the sellers are trying to break this zone. There's more sell bid coming on here, but still price is trying to maintain that VWAP. We can see the VWAP. Where the price is above the VWAP and holding, then we can say that okay, price is somehow good to go more upward. You can see there are no more orders up here. We can see that more orders are coming below this area. Now price is trying to go downward gradually. It's trying to go downward gradually. We are seeing some fresh orders coming on board right now. So guys, it's fun. You can look at all these areas and actually enjoy. It's at times I look at it, it's like, okay, what is going on here? And the aspect of following the money is where these orders are. That's where the money is. And if the money is there, it means there's gonna be liquidation also there. So the market makers are gonna try to push price there. You can see they are now below the VWAP. So price is below the VWAP. Now, what do we expect if price is below the VWAP? Price is gonna attempt to move to eat all these these buy orders here. And if the price eat these buy orders, it means it's gonna liquidate some more people out there, who have been shorting Bitcoin. So let's just wait and see what will happen here. But as of now, Bitcoin is below 300 and how am I saying 300? 39,000 or no, sorry, below $40,000. Yeah. Oh, guys, I think maybe I've been streaming for long, and I can see that I've been streaming for 41 minutes. Let's not make this to be so long. Yeah, but you understand what I've been trying to educate you guys today about following the money, how you can use my indicator in coupled with other indicators like the Trendillo, the Alpha Trend, to trade. Yeah, it's very important you understand how to go about it. And if say we look at, there's something here I want to also see also, which is the liquidation heat map. Yeah, you can see that. Let me refresh this and let's see for the past 24 hours how much Bitcoin has been. Let's see for the past 24 hours liquidation. 50 million. Wow, 50 million short liquidation. And Ethereum we have 39 million long liquidation. Then others we have 12 million. So now we have 6 million. Wow, guys, that's why I hate, like, I don't like to play with leverage with when it comes to this altcoins. Of course, let's look at the past hour. You know, Bitcoin also is, yeah, Bitcoin is, you have seen 1.8 and 1.8 million liquidation. And if say we go to the heat map, let's look at areas where there's liquidity in the market to see, okay, where Bitcoin can go and grab most of this liquidity. Let's look at this on actually the daily time frame, because we are now focusing on today. So let's look at the past 24 hours to see what could happen, or what should happen. Okay, what could happen here is that I'm seeing more favor downward movement. You see this liquidity here at 39,590. You know, if say we bring the book map, let's confirm this with the book map to see if say that's the case. Let me first of all look at this. What was the area? The area is around 39,624 dollars. Yeah, let's go to see on the book map if say we can see the same price, 39,000 on this book map. Let's move 39,670. Let's see, 39,670. Okay, 39,600. 30, 70. Yeah, wow, this is the area, guys. Look at the area here. There's huge liquidity here, so we can see price whoop down here after eating up this liquidity here. Price can move down to that area. But if we look at the upside, looking at this stuff, I think the upside looks somehow juicy here. I think Bitcoin can head upwards around this 41,000 area. But let's look at the week. For the week, let's see what can happen for this week. If say the worst case scenario, let's look at this area. I think we can see Bitcoin go to 41,300 today. Actually, 1,300, or maybe right up to 42,000. Yeah, this can play out today. Or yeah, this should play out today. You know, so guys, look at all these areas as areas where you can either buy Bitcoin, take out profits. Is very important. You are able to read the chart, play the game. You know, when money comes on board, you can actually get in at the right time. So this is it, guys. If say you enjoy the show, you know, do like the video. Share. I'm already tired. I have to go. I don't have much strength to. Of course, I can be with you guys, but I don't have people interacting with me, giving me the momentum, giving me coins to talk about. But I'm happy that I could find some people here, mystery, man, and all the good stuff going on there. You know, you guys have been awesome being here with me. I'm just gonna say goodbye, and don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up, and share this content with someone else out there. Having said that, guys, see you tomorrow. I think see you tomorrow, same time. Same time, yeah, same time. I think I'm gonna be doing this same time. But you guys haven't mentioned to me in the group if like when exactly you want me to be live. Of course, we had a conversation about that, but again, we're gonna talk more about it. And if so you are not yet part of my VIP group, do that. I do trainings every mornings now. I look at the market. I do videos. You know, I stream live on the on the VIP group, and I try to help them to start their day, to look at the coins they are holding and look at areas where they can take out profit and buy again, sell. So all this good stuff that goes on in the market, I try to help them. So make sure you are part of my Patreon, or you can subscribe, guys. I think it's about $9, right? It's just a way also to support this platform, right? And be part of the community. So if say you are watching, go and do just that. The benefit is like it's so amazing. Imagine, look at these zones here. If you would have been part of my community, like my Patreon, my VIP, you have been making profit, right? And those of you who are in my VIP, if you want to play my game, then you have to mostly have like you should mostly have your coins in Bitcoin or USDT. If you want to play my game, you should have most of your, like, at least 30% of your let's say portfolio should be in Bitcoin, at least. If you don't want to have Bitcoin like in terms of most of your portfolio, but at least 30% should be in Bitcoin. Or if say you don't like Bitcoin, then hold the percentage in USDT. So if you are having 30%, you have it in USDT. Move like this, you can balance your portfolio. But I don't know why you want to have 70% of your portfolio in risky coins, without any proper risk management. I think, like, if say you guys follow me for long, you're gonna understand more why I want you to have Bitcoin or have most of your money in USDT. I prefer you to have your money in USDT than just having it in those risky coins, right? Of course, those coins are good, but when Bitcoin is not showing the signals, those coins are not gonna do so well. All right, guys, that's it for today. Have a nice day. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.